guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so that you guys can get notified for whenever I upload my next video. Today we are going to be doing a how to make a nice coffee, and I will show you guys the ingredients and what you guys need in a second. But before I start, I just wanted to say thank you for all the love and support that you guys are showing me. And also, I'm not endorsing or promoting any of these products that I show you guys. It's just for personal use, the things that I use to make my coffee. The first thing you're going to need is black coffee. You're going to add 2 tablespoons of the black coffee into this container. And then you're going to also put the sugar. You're going to put 2 tablespoons of sugar into the container. And then after that, you're going to need the electric mixer. So let me just show you guys how you're supposed to do it. And then what else you're going to need is water bottle. You don't need that much water. You just need enough to fill it up so that you can stir it better. You're going to use this electric spoon mixer and you're going to stir it. This is how you want your iced coffee to look after you put the sugar, water, and black coffee. And after you mix it, you pour it into this 24-ounce cup, whatever cup you prefer. The next thing you're going to need is ice cubes. You can use up to 6, but I'm just going to use 4 today. Then after you add 4 ice cubes, you're going to want to add French vanilla coffee creamer. And you can get this at Safeway or any grocery store. And then you're going to pour a little bit. And then the last step is you're going to stir it. So as you see, going to stir it all together. If you made it to this point of the video, I just want to say thank you for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any suggestions or anything you guys want me to make next, please make sure that you comment that in the comment sections and I will get back to you. Now, I'm going to enjoy my coffee. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.